day has finally arrived. Yes, it's pickup day for me. Can you believe it? Absolutely. But look, I just saw this guy. There's more Bürsտնers in Fiat that you can shake a stick at. Another casualty of motorhome life. Oh, so I'm a little bit early, so I'm just having a little wander around. As I got my lift in, I saw our motorhome parked over here, and I'm kind of like, we need to get reunited, make the bond, reignite the bond. It's been such a long time. There it is. There it is. I don't recognise that number plate. Oh man, there it is. There she is. It's been 3.5 weeks. Wow. It feels really, really strange. So strange. There she is, the little box. Oh man, the sun's shining. It's sort of feeling surreal. And until I get behind that steering wheel and drive it up the road, wow. So they actually open up here about 8 o'clock. And then it'll be just the painful bit of paying the bill. Right, I'm renegotiating. Let's get back over towards the main building. Oh, looks like, I don't know whether matey's having work done on that Bürsttner or not. Surprising until you get up here, and over there there's a couple of there's a Sunlight and another Fiat over there. Look, there's 74, 24 and a 74 plate. 7:54. Oh, 5 minutes. Oh, so the transaction has been made. We're not even going to go there. But Tina was looking after me this morning, just on 8 o'clock, and it's all looking good. So we're finalising the details, picking up the keys. The escape! The escape! The keys, I'm back with it! Wow! Oh my goodness me. Oh God, this feels so strange. Whoa, in we go. In we go. Okay, keys in the ignition. Ignition on. Yes. Yes. Smooth. Taking the revs up, smooth. Wow. It's the satisfaction feeling on my face. Hopefully it's going to be a bloody good morning, bloody good day. Jesus, this has been so long. But I was just chatting to Tina. The fact that she said people were so kind of attached to the motorhomes, and I was just telling the story about the original problem that we had in Croatia, and when you've got all your belongings and all your stuff in your motorhome, and that is the kind of difficult part. And just sort of saying about if you left it in a dealership in Italy, for example, and I had to wait maybe 3 weeks for it to be like fixed, you know, all your belongings, all your personal items and stuff, it's just that's the other thing that's always in the back of your mind. So that is why this feeling today is just pretty good, just to have that engine purring away again. So I'm going to get going and see how she goes. I'm actually chancing me luck here. I'm going to pull straight onto this weighbridge, see if I can weigh her. Let's do this. Let's fucking do it. Oh my God. Well, that went well. Straight in. So he actually took a picture of the, I said, can you take a picture of the weight? So 3 tons and 20 kilos, and job done. How good was that? So that's what we know now, what weight the vehicle is, because I've got like nothing in this thing. So that is absolutely perfect. So we were actually talking about this last night, and yeah, job done, perfect. My son actually, we had a coffee this morning before I went into Fiat, and I was saying I could do with like a wave, and he said, like, just go around, they'll sort you out. So that is perfect. Newbury Metals in Marsh Barton, top men. So I'm going to be hightailing it at Exeter now with a cheeky grin on my face, like I can't believe. This is just so surreal. Oh my God. Oh wow, all them flashbacks of Antibes, fuel filter, struggling up through the middle of France. Oh, the frustration. My God, it feels so damn good to be back in this thing, in the saddle. Oh God, yeah. And all them people that commented saying, Joff, just sit, and guys, you were absolutely bloody right. Oh my God, I've been just like to hell and back really. And we sort of, like, well, I say in previous videos, from literally September, when that, you know, that trip was absolutely sort of cut short. It was like, it was going so well, and then yeah, that just broke everything. And so now we're into like March, the 13th of March, and wow, that time all over that Christmas period, and we were mixed emotions, and we're going to change it up, and is it the right thing to do? And maybe now, in hindsight, we have made the right, we've got there in the end, and probably got the right decision. I think we've made the right decision, because it just ticks all the boxes. As we said before, we didn't want to make any compromises. We've got everything we need in this box. Alarm system, rechargeable LPG. Oh man. So I think, like I say, like now it was a little bit, I said to the lady in Tina in Fiat, I said, you know, I was trying to put the thumb screws on a little bit to say that I had like a ferry booked, and there was a little bit of a white lie, but I was just so desperate to get to our little window of time. And it came to the end of last week, and I was getting comments saying our parts haven't arrived since, like, they've been waiting since November for the motorhome to be sorted. And I was just, oh my God, I just can't do it anymore. I just got to get away and try and, but I feel like now, I feel like really good. I feel good. It's cost me a shed load of money. Oh, don't even go there. We're not even going to think about that. Oh God, but the pain that's, not even thinking about that. It's all about making yourself, like, things in life to make you happy, and things do cost money, and especially motorhomes. And but yeah, the feeling now, I'm back on the carriageway, and we're just steaming. I just feel like I could drive, like, now, do you know what I mean? I feel like I drive down to Rudesheim, oh my God, just for an Asbach coffee, just for the hell of it. But that's going to wait. We are going to, the sun's shining, I'm feeling so damn good. And right, I'm just going to move out a little bit here, if I can. There we go. Applying the throttle, power's on. Now applying the brake, there's a bit of a tailback, but it's going good. It's feeling good. Good times ahead. I can feel it. That's now the reality is now is Tuesday morning we'll be flying, and but the excitement now to, like, return. I was only thinking it's sort of when we were waiting for this motorhome back in 2019, and we literally had this window of time from January when we done the deal, and we didn't pick it up until July, and so that we had this window of time where I still had my old motorhome, but we just could not take it anywhere. We just couldn't risk the fate of anything like drastically going wrong or hitting it or anything like that. So we had this period of time down there where I was going stir crazy, and that's when I actually started using the Ryanair app and booking some flights. And we did an Alicante and we did a Malaga at the same in a short space of time, because we enjoyed it and it was good value for money. So this is almost like rewinding the clock a little bit to that kind of era of excitement of yeah, we're going to go have a good time, and then when we return, the good times will be back with us again. So it's all looking rosy. I'm going to get my pedal to the metal now, get myself home. Caroline's going to be sort of like waiting to see what the outcome is, and it's all good. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the update. A little bit of excitement on a Thursday morning in March, just to anybody that's still waiting, keep the faith, hold the faith, and hopefully in the end you'll get the kind of same result as what we've got with a bit of luck. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.